Hi, I am from the PC Error Detective YouTube channel, and in this video I will show you how to remove an administrator account in Windows 11 in a simple and safe way. This guide will help you delete an admin account you no longer need, so let's get started. Step 1. Press Windows plus I on your keyboard to open the Settings app. Settings is the main place where you control accounts, privacy, and system options in Windows 11, and opening it is the first step to managing user accounts properly. Step 2. Click on Accounts from the left side menu. This section is used to manage sign-in options, user profiles, and access levels, which is important when you want to make changes to administrator accounts. Step 3. Click on Other Users. Here, Windows shows all user accounts added to the computer, including standard and administrator accounts, making it easy to choose the correct one. Step 4. Select the administrator account you want to remove. Make sure this is not the account you are currently using because Windows does not allow you to delete the active admin account. Step 5. Click the Remove button. This option tells Windows that you want to delete the selected user account from the system. Step 6. Click Delete Account and Data to confirm. This will permanently remove the administrator account along with its files, so it is important to back up any important data before completing this step. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the PC Error Detective YouTube channel for more helpful Windows tutorials.